full day we're having.
Yep.
Any big plans for tonight?
Nope.
Big Mac?
Yep.
Well, this has been strange.
Yep.
I need to get going, but it's always great running into a good friend.
Yep.
I suppose we should just humor them for a moment. This punch does look delicious.
Yep.
Big Mac,
Yep.
will you be my very special sun pony?
Yep.
He's my special sun pony.
Yep.
He's my schmoopy-doopy sweetie-weetie pony pie.
You're my schmoopy doopy sweetie weetie pony pie. You're my hearty smarty smoochy woochy baby waities. You're my cuddly wuddly poopsy woopsy pumpkin pie.
You take the first sip, Snuggle Wuggles.
Nope, you take it, Schnoodle Bum.
No, you, Snooky Lumps.
No, you Pookie Pie.
No, you, Biscuit Whiskey Bear.
Nope, you Huggy Wuggy Snuggy Bunny. I have a very special sun pony. Married.
That's right. Married.
Married.
Sloopy-Doo! Whoa! Sloopy-Doo!
Wait up!
Sloopy-Doo!
Am I wearing a wedding veil?
Yep.
Are you sitting on a feather bed in a hole in the ground?
Yep.
Does that seem like a fair punishment to you?
Yep.
Ready, Sugar Bear?
Yep. Pumpkin pie.